We know you want a good machine for a great price, but when a salesman controls the process between a seller and buyer, this can be frustrating and time-consuming. So what if the middleman was removed entirely? We tested this crazy idea and connected buyers and sellers direct. What did we find? Clients loved it, and the deal sped up when the salesman wasn't in the middle. This new concept had to be built, so we did it. Welcome to CNCmachines.com, where you can now browse listings, freely ask the seller questions, schedule inspections. You'll be impressed how easy it works. The goal is to deliver the best experience while saving you time and money, and our experts will be helping you at every stage. So, what are you waiting for? Search hundreds of CNC mills, CNC lathes, 3D printers, and fabrication equipment on CNCmachines.com.